In this lesson, we will learn how to execute our first probabilistic simulation in a project. We will explore the variability in task durations and costs without including risks at this initial stage. This will lead us to the point where finally we will see how to interpret the results obtained, which is the ultimate purpose of everything we have developed so far. So, before starting, we must ensure that the scenario type we're generating is probabilistic. If we use a deterministic approach, there would be no variability in tasks, and the results would always be the same. Follow these steps. 1. Verify parameters. Ensure that the scenario is probabilistic. 2. Observe uncertainty. Task durations and costs may have low, medium, or high uncertainty, which will affect the calculations. Check for changes. Every time we recalculate, that is by pressing F9, we will see different generated scenarios. Now, uncertainty impacts two key aspects. Task duration. Depending on the level of uncertainty, durations will vary. These durations are found in column S of our spreadsheet. The project's completion date, located in cell F1, will change with each iteration. Fixed and variable costs. Costs can also be uncertain. These values are found in the following columns on the cost sheet. G for fixed costs and N for variable costs. These costs depend on task duration in column M. So far, we have considered uncertainty in task duration and costs, but we have not yet included risks. For this initial simulation, we will not include risks. Follow these steps. Number 1, go to the risk sheet. Number 2, on column B, ensure that each risk has a value of 0. 3, this means that risks will not affect the project's duration or costs in this simulation. Before running the simulation, set 5,000 iterations in parameters. This is the minimum number needed to achieve certain stability and convergence in the results. Start the simulation and wait a few minutes. Once the simulation is complete, we review the outputs sheet. Here we will find a table with statistical values and compliance rates. And 2, we will explore the 7 simulated output variables. The simulation results are stored in the data sheet. This sheet contains 5,000 rows, 1 per iteration. We can access this data using the simulated data button. So we conclude, we have successfully executed our first probabilistic simulation, considering uncertainty in task durations and costs. However, we have not yet incorporated risks. In the next phase, we will focus on interpreting this data and including risks in our analysis.